It is the loud roar of the ugly faces of climate change that has made this gathering a success. Dignitaries from various organizations gathered at Malungushi International Conference Center for the second time in 2 years to witness the handover of the drought insurance bailout money of about $12 million United States dollars from the Africa Risk Capacity to the Zambian government and its partner, the World Food Programme. The bailout from the ARC is meant to help in the provision of immediate life-saving needs the people affected by the drought in the 2023-2024 farming season. Approximately 9.8 million people in Zambia were affected by drought, which was as a result of the El Niño, out of which 6.6 million people are in need of humanitarian assistance.
We are here very delighted at a time like this when we need this money desperately to be able to respond to the devastating drought that has engulfed our region and our country. The colleagues before me have described just how devastating this drought has been. It was characterized as the worst in 40 years. I'm 68, but I can't even remember a drought as terrible as this. So it has been very bad, putting so many lives at risk because many of them, they've lost all the food they expected to harvest this year, completely gone.
The Africa Risk Capacity is operational in 15 African countries. The insurance company aims to partner with more African countries to help mitigate disasters and offer support to countries in times of need.
The Africa Risk Capacity is a specialized agency of the African Union. Was founded in 2012 to support African governments in enhancing their capacities to plan, prepare and respond to the extreme weather events, natural disasters, and dire consequential outbreaks and epidemics. Through collaborative and innovative financing solutions, the ARC Group enables countries to strengthen their disaster risk management systems and secure prompt, dependable financing in times of actual disasters, safeguarding the food security and livelihoods of their most vulnerable populations. Our collective goal as a group is to enhance Africa's resilience by providing African Union member states with tailored services through diverse solutions to cover risks such as droughts, tropical cyclones, floods, and disease outbreaks.
The World Food Programme also took a drought assurance replica policy, which in return brought a bailout amounting to over $3.3 million United States dollars.
I'm proud to inform you that the payout to the World Food Programme of $3.3 million from the Africa Risk Capacity Agency will benefit 94,000 beneficiaries in 8 districts of the country, many of whom, without this safety net, will face food insecurity. The ARC payout will not only provide much-needed financial resources, but also reinforce the commitment of all stakeholders to disaster risk management and building resilience.
Various partners supported government in paying the insurance premium and were present at the bailout ceremony in Lusaka.
The European Union and its partners like France and Canada, who support the African Risk Capacity Agency of the African Union, believe that African-owned disaster response mechanisms, including insurance solution, is the way forward in building resilience at regional and continental level.
Now, more attention is needed to address both disaster risk preparedness and climate finance gaps. So this payout is extremely important. It's supporting Zambia's drought response. Now, it shows that the work of the Africa Disaster Risk Financing Multi-Donor Trust Fund and ARC is part of the solution.
Other partners called for concerted efforts in ensuring that the funds being released are utilized for the intended purpose.
I would like to wish the government of Zambia success in the implementation of the planned activities so that the affected populations receive assistance on time. The bank stands ready to support you in that regard.
Proactive investment in insurance schemes, social protection, and resilience building are much more cost-effective and beneficial than reactive humanitarian aid. With the current drought in mind, the African Risk Capacity Mechanism equips Zambia with some timely liquidity to respond early to the disaster.
With so much being spent to reverse the damage caused by climate change, it is important that nations world over focus on preserving what has been left by Mother Nature for the future generations.